So there's a wonderful study that's done in nature showing that individuals who do juggling can grow the gray matter of their brain. And that is wild to me. This is like a very easy, basic program at neuroathletics. Get 2 tennis balls, you stand a meter away from the wall, and you're just throwing them. Let's just say you start with 1. You throw with your right hand, you catch with your left hand, and then you throw it back and you're catching. What's that doing? First of all, you're taking hand-eye coordination into perspective. Okay, especially if you line it up with your eyes and not do overhand throw, far up to make it very hard. Line it up with your eyes. That's very hard to sustain for 2 minutes if you're not used to it. So you've got hand-eye coordination, you've got vision training happening, you've got stability, you've got concentration, focus, you've got so many different cognitive processes happening with such a simple task. And going back to growing the gray matter of your brain, it turns out that 80% of brain gray matter is modifiable by physical activity alone.
Incredible.
It is incredible. So if we now have studies, in clinical studies, RCTs in humans, of course, and in mice, that we can grow our brain structurally, we can change the functioning of our brain through physical activity, then why wouldn't we be doing this?